The MQ-9 Reaper is a modular reconnaissance and strike UAV from the U.S. manufacturer General Atomics. It is based on the MQ-1 Predator, which is why it was also called Predator B in the beginning. However, the MQ-9 is much larger and is primarily used for close air support. It has been used by the United States Armed Forces and the Royal Air Force in Afghanistan, among others. When we talk about the MQ-9 Reaper, we usually mean the drone itself. In fact, the drone is only a part of the so-called remotely controlled aircraft system. The entire MQ-9 Reaper consists of a drone equipped with sensors and weapons, a ground control station, a Predator primary satellite link, support systems, and a qualified team of operators. The main crew consists of an operator who is the commander of the device and his assistant, who is responsible for working with weapons and sensors. The MQ-9 has a wingspan of 20.12 meters, a height of 3.80 meters, and a length of 10.97 meters. Its empty mass is 2,223 kilograms, and its maximum takeoff mass is 4,763 kilograms. The operational radius is 3,065 kilometers. The maximum flight altitude is up to 15,400 meters, and the maximum flight duration is 27 hours. Its maximum speed can reach 482 kilometers per hour. The Reaper is powered by a Honeywell TPE 331 turboprop engine. Often simplified as a propeller turbine, a turboprop is a continuous internal combustion heat engine. It consists of a gas turbine that drives a propeller. The MQ-9 is equipped with a Multi-Spectral Targeting System, or MTS. The MTS-B version has an infrared sensor, a color and monochrome day camera, a shortwave infrared camera, laser distance indicator, laser target illumination system, and of course, a radar. Images from each sensor can be presented separately, but they can also be combined. This enables the drone to see most ground targets both day and night, even if they are in bunkers. The state-of-the-art architecture provides remote monitoring, target acquisition, tracking, range, and laser designation for all laser-guided munitions of Tri-Service and NATO. The MQ-9's typical armament consists of 4 AGM-114 Hellfire laser-guided air-to-ground missiles and 2 GBU-12 Paveway II laser-guided bombs. However, it can also be equipped with other weapon systems, such as the AGM-176 Griffin and the GBU-38 JDAM. There are also plans to equip it with the GBU-39 SDB. The AGM-114 Hellfire is a U.S. air-to-ground missile designed to hit armored, lightly armored, and other targets that require precise strikes. Earlier versions used a laser guidance system, while the later revisions have a radar seeker. Hellfire missiles are equipped with various warheads: a 2-stage warhead, a multi-purpose warhead, a fragmentation charge, and even a thermobaric weapon. Their range is 8 kilometers at a maximum airspeed of 1,445 kilometers per hour. Also known as the Ninja Bomb and Flying Ginsu, the Hellfire R9X is a variant with a kinetic warhead that replaces the explosive payload with blades. These 6 blades strike their target at high velocity and slice or crush it. Collateral damage can be avoided in the process due to the non-existent explosive charge. The GBU-12 Paveway II is a laser-guided bomb developed from the Mark 82 bomb, but with the addition of a nose-mounted laser seeker and fins for guidance. GBU stands for Guided Bomb Unit. It has a combat weight of 227 kilograms. The warhead is filled with 89 kilograms of high-explosive tritonol. The AGM-176 Griffin is a short-range missile designed to engage ground targets. It features a semi-active laser seeker. The warhead weighs only 6 kilograms, which means that the explosive force is significantly lower than that of the AGM-114 Hellfire. As a result, the Griffin is less effective at engaging armored targets, but it also reduces the collateral damage that often occurs during drone missions. The 253 kilogram heavy GBU-38 consists of a JDAM guidance system, the standard MK-82 bomb body, and the bomb fuse. JDAM stands for Joint Direct Attack Munition and is a guidance kit that converts unguided bombs into precision-guided munitions. JDAM-equipped bombs are guided by an integrated inertial guidance system coupled to a GPS receiver, giving them a range of up to 28 kilometers. The tail has movable fins. The GBU-39 Small Diameter Bomb, or SDB, planned as an additional armament, is a precision-guided bomb of the U.S. Armed Forces. Two different variants can be used depending on the intended target. These equip the weapon to attack fixed or stationary targets such as fuel depots and shelters, or mobile targets such as tanks, vehicles, and mobile command posts. The SDB's casing is made of carbon fiber composite. The SDB carries about 17 kilograms of AFX 757 high explosive and has integrated Diamondback wings and 4 tail fins that deploy after release to increase glide time and thus maximum range. When dropped from high altitude and at high speed, the range is up to 110 kilometers. Its size and accuracy allow for an effective munition with less collateral damage. The MQ-9 Reaper is the U.S. Air Force's premier unmanned attacked aircraft right now. With its significant loiter time, long-range sensors, multi-mode communications equipment, and precision weapons, it has a unique capability to engage, coordinate, and reconnoiter high-value, elusive, and time-sensitive targets.